Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. Nowadays, a common issue occurring in the front of many Facebook users when they want to do schedule their reels, a post or a photo, etc. But there's an error happening. You cannot schedule this post problem. Today, I will give you a solution, a fix. Just following some simple steps, you can fix that this error. Post now. You cannot schedule this post problem. But before learning the fix, I request just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fixes, app reviews, Facebook updates, and secret features. If this problem is occurring in front of you, then you need to go a little up and click on Instagram sharing as Darvesh Misaj. For example, your username, audience in public. You need to just click there and you need to turn off and unlink your Instagram from your Facebook account. Okay, once you do this simple step, then you can easily schedule this post from your Facebook account. It's very simple and very easy. I hope the short video is helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.